Do you want to live close to Totem Lake Village in the like-new Pulte resale? Let's go check it out today. Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. Today we are in Totem Lake Village in Kirkland. So Totem Lake Village was just completed a few years back. It has Nordstrom Rack, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, and a cinema. So it's actually very popular and it's very conveniently located. It's only 5 minutes to 405 and very easy commute to Bellevue and downtown Kirkland. And I actually live in Totem Lake Village, and this community that we're going to show you today is only 3 minutes away from my house. So we actually sit in Lake Washington School District, and I remember when I moved to Kirkland, the school rating is not very good. But now Juanita High actually has a higher rating than Lake Washington High, which is amazing. So great school resources around this area. And this community was built by Pulte, which is a very reputational national builder. The whole community was built in 2018 because this is the end of the cul-de-sac. It has the best privacy and the view. So this home has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 3,130 square feet inside, and it has an amazing mountain view. Let's go and check it out. So coming through the front door, you can feel the natural light that actually welcomes you when you walk into this house. And on the left-hand side, there is a good-sized den with a half a bath right here, very convenient. And then once you walk in, here is a 2-story high ceiling with big windows, great natural light. And then you walk in further, here is the view of North Cascade, and that is absolutely the selling point of this home. Well, today is not a very sunny day. You won't see the mountain very well, but either way, even with the rainy days, this home is filled with all the natural light and very bright. And here is the open concept design. This is the family room with a gas fireplace. And here is the white kitchen that I'm going to show you right now. So the kitchen has the white cabinet, white countertop, very modern. I like the design of the little bit gray backsplash, little bit contrast. I really like it. And then it has a gas stove and then a ranch hood. So if you love cooking, this is definitely a gourmet kitchen for you. And this is my favorite spot of this home, well-sized island with white quartz countertop. And when you are actually, doing all the cookings and everything, you can enjoy the view of North Cascade, which is amazing. This home actually has a lot of storage as well. So a lot of cabinets and all the way to the walk-in pantry. And it also extends to this area, so more storage. And then here at the corner, they have a little desk, so your kid can actually do their homework here or it can work here as well. And now let me show you the oversized deck of this house. So the whole deck was rebuilt by the seller. They use the tracks now, which is a very low maintenance material. You don't need to paint on it, you don't need to worry about it. And then all the railings were updated as well. So of course you can have barbecue, you have your party here while you are enjoying the nice view. And from here you can see the backyard, which is very level, private. They also have a floating deck, which I'm going to show you very soon. Now we're on the top floor of the house. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms on this level. Let me show you the primary bedroom first. So the primary bedroom is very bright and spacious. The room also has some designing kind of factors like the crown molding and then the chandelier. So it's modern but also very luxurious. It's very spacious. You can easily put in like a king-size bed, 2 huge nightstands if you want to, and you can still add, some drawers and then chairs, couch. There's a lot of space. And then of course, the view is gorgeous, and it is very private. Nobody can see you, so you can actually leave the blinds open during the day and enjoy the sunlight. So the bathrooms, again, very, very bright. It has light color design, white cabinet that matches the kitchen area, white quartz countertop, and then it has tiles from the floor to the ceiling, very easy to maintain. Of course, you can sit in this bathtub with some wine and then enjoy the view, the privacy. And I actually have a lot of clients like this kind of sit-in tub because now you can put a lot of things around it, very practical. And then it also has a good sized walk-in closet. If you want more, like California closet, you can definitely add it yourself. And now we're on the lower floor, so this is actually above the ground basement. You have a huge patio door and a big window on that side, so good natural light in this room as well. It's a quite spacious room. You can make it a media room or playroom. They also have a wet bar if you want to make it a media room. Very practical. And then here they have a good sized bedroom with a shower bath. So if you actually have a guest living with you for a while, this is a great place. They can enjoy the privacy and everything on this level. And now we're in the backyard of the home. So the owner actually loves plants. So they have a lot of flowers and they actually have those hydrogen on that side. And they have this dripping system. So it's actually easy to maintain in this yard. And here is the floating deck. The seller hired somebody to build this area, so it uses tracks, the same material on that oversized deck upstairs. It's very easy to maintain, don't need to worry about it. So it's a great place to have party, and have dinner here with your family. You can enjoy the view and the privacy. So after looking at this home, I really enjoy the natural light of the home, which I think is the best selling point. And of course, the mountain view and the privacy is unbeatable. It has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, over 3,000 square feet inside, very spacious and great layout. We're going to put this home on the market at $2 million, and we're going to have open houses this weekend. If you're interested, come and take a look. I'm Maggie. I'll see you next time.